Firstly, the frame and axle assembly line. 1. Here, the frame is the heaviest part of the entire machine. It's around 1.5 tons, connecting to the front axle and the rear axle. The frame has also been laser cut and welded here at the sheet metal workshop. It's a one-piece frame which is durable than a hinged structure. Look here. 8 of these huge zinc-plated bolts are anti-rust, and longevity fixes the chassis to the axles. 2. The axles are Italy Carraro axles that provide superior traction and stability. The 2 axles can support 13 tons, the weight of the digger and its load. The Italy Carraro axle is a wet brake system. A wet brake system is of course better than an air-pushed oil brake system. The axles are immersed in hydraulic oil, which helps dissipate heat. The hydraulic oil in a wet brake system also serves as a lubricant for the brake components, reducing friction and wear. Overall, the advantages of a wet brake over an air-pushed oil brake include better cooling, lubrication, sealing against contaminants, and potentially lower maintenance requirements, leading to improved performance and longevity of the brake system. Now in China, only we SHANMON can use the Carraro axles. 3. Some hydraulics are installed here as well. The stabilizer leg, the hydraulic cylinder, and the hydraulic valves. There are 2 kinds of stabilizer leg, one is the H-type, and the other is the cost-effective A-type. A is okay, because the triangle is the most stable.